here is our pretend sort of kind of unboxing of this beautiful Beretta gun. It's an Elite 2 Beretta. It's fairly heavy, 380 FPS, metal barrel, uses CO2, 12-gram cartridges. It has an accessory rail to put your shiny lasers and flashlights on. A drop-free mag, 15 round mag capacity, and it shoots the standard 6mm airsoft pellets. So we are going to, oh, and it has easy load, and it comes with a bonus 100 BBs. So we're gonna pretend to unbox it. Cut that out, not really. And here we have our gun. It has the clip already in it. So that's a nice clip. It already has BBs in it because I've already shot it. And it works really nice so far. So, and we have, you know, let's get to all the, what you really watch this video for is to see all this advertising. Here's your BBs, SF gun registration, blah blah blah, do not return this product. And then you have the instruction manual. I suggest reading this because when I opened up the box and I did it, I didn't know how to turn it from safe to fire, and so I was like trying to push it back. You have to actually press it and then push it over. So it's kind of a little weird for my other guns I've had. So I suggest reading those so you don't break it right off the bat. Basic maintenance and all that stuff. So easy CO2 cartridge, all that stuff. So without further ado, here is the gun. I like it. It's clear. I'm gonna paint, spray paint it during your war. Put some electrical tape over that. I don't think anybody has an airsoft war keeps that there. I mean, if you do, that's cool. But anyways, press it, stay fire, and it is CO2 powered. I like it slides over. It's really nice and easy. You don't have an Allen wrench, and it goes in the clip and all that humbug jumbo. So you just put it in there and you twist it up. I don't want to take this one out. And just keep twisting till you don't hear it leaking. And the clip is really nice. It's metal. I know a lot of other guns use it, including my Ruger right here, which also uses the same exact clip. So this, and I know some Crossman airsoft guns, which I don't quite recommend, use this clip as well. So it's basically the same style, but it's kind of broken because it's really old. So anyways, this feels nice. It's nice and heavy, very realistic feel. I don't like the clear plastic so much. That's why I'm painting it. And just a little tip for you guys, the frosted plastic, as you see here, has less quality than clear. You'll see clear plastic like this is higher quality than this plastic. No, not this particular, like guns made out of clear plastic will be higher quality in frosted. Now this is not medium quality, so the highest quality is obviously metal. So we're gonna go test fire this gun out in my backyard. Let's go. Here we are in sunny California. It's not that sunny. Sunny California, sort of. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna try to shoot through the handlebars on this swing set hanging thing that you did.
Yep.
So. Very accurate. Now this gun has a very realistic feel. I really like it. I got this gun yesterday actually. Let's go. Now we're gonna do some rapid fire here.
Where are you aiming?
At the same place we were shooting last time, right?
Yep.
Now I wasn't really aiming for the circle because I basically
You hit it. You passed it a couple times.
But yeah, this is a really nice gun. I like it. So, and you don't really want fully auto because you're kind of wasting your bullets.
Yeah.
So, rate, subscribe, comment, and tell us what we should do for our next video.